Hey there! Welcome to another insightful episode of Luxo-Life, your partner in life. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic. Bounce your way to a better life, the amazing impact of rebounding. If you've hit a rough patch and are looking to bounce back with the best results, you're in the right place. Keep watching the video till the end and give us some love as we dive deeper into the incredible power of rebounding. First off, it's important to grasp how bouncing can make you healthier. Picture it as a fantastic workout that involves jumping up and down, working wonders for every nook and cranny of your body. Just think about it. When you bounce, you're giving all 75 trillion cells in your body a workout session. It's like a little gym party for each of these tiny cells, making them stronger and happier. Also, bouncing is a natural detox for your body. As you jump, your lymphatic system kicks into high gear. It's like giving your internal cleaning team a boost, helping them clear out the waste and toxins more efficiently. Since you've understood what bouncing is, some of you might ask, but what exactly is a rebounder? Let's break it down in simple terms. A rebounder is like a mini-trampoline, a bouncy platform that's not just for kids having a good time. It's a key player in the world of rebounding, a practice that involves jumping on this springy surface for various health benefits. Rebounder is designed to give you that perfect bounce, allowing you to jump up and down with ease. Now the cool part is how it fits into the rebounding practice. This bouncy device is like your magic carpet for a healthier lifestyle. The rebounder's role is pretty crucial. It adds that extra spring to your bounce, making the whole experience effective and, dare I say, enjoyable. Unlike regular trampolines, rebounders are crafted with specific features, especially those high-tech ones. These features are tailored to enhance your bouncing experience, making it not just fun, but also beneficial for your body. Now that you know what it is, bouncing on one might just become your new favorite thing. But do you know how to do it? Let's explore the step-by-step process of rebounding. First things first, rebounding is all about bouncing on a flexible surface. That's where the magic happens. Picture yourself bouncing up and down on a mini trampoline, feeling the gentle give of the surface beneath your feet. This flexibility is what makes rebounding easy on your joints, unlike some other high-impact exercises. So step 1, find yourself a rebounder with a nice, flexible surface. As you start bouncing, you're not just having a good time, you're engaging your whole body. It's like a full-body workout disguised as fun. The technology behind certain rebounders plays a role here. Some of these rebounders are designed to give you a soft and controlled bounce. It's not about bouncing as high as you can, but about enjoying a comfortable rhythm that benefits your body. So step 2, bounce in a way that feels good, not like you're trying to touch the ceiling. Now let's talk about the technology a bit more. Some rebounders come with extra features that enhance your bouncing experience. These features could include special springs or a unique design that adds to the overall effectiveness of your workout. It's like having a little extra support to make sure your bouncing is not only enjoyable, but also good for your health. Step 3, embrace the technology that makes your rebounding journey even better. Lastly, don't be afraid to get creative with your bouncing routine. You can mix it up with different moves, maybe a light jog, some jumping jacks, or simply bouncing to your favorite music. The key is to keep it enjoyable, so it becomes a habit you look forward to. Step 4, make rebounding your own, and let the flexible surface and cool technology make each bounce a step towards a healthier, happier you. Now that you know how to rebound, let's unpack its benefits. Bouncing is not just a fun activity, it's a gateway to feeling amazing, starting with a boost in your energy levels. When you bounce, it's like flipping a switch that turns on your body's energy generator. You'll feel more awake, more alive. It's like a natural energy shot that doesn't involve caffeine or anything fancy. But it's not just about feeling energized. Bouncing also does wonders for your oxygen intake. As you jump up and down, you're taking in more oxygen, and that's like giving your body a breath of fresh air. It's the kind of oxygen boost that can leave you feeling more focused and ready to tackle whatever comes your way. Now let's talk about the versatility of rebounding. It's like a multi-tool for your fitness journey. First up, weight loss. bouncing burns calories, and it's way more exciting than counting them on a treadmill. Plus, it's gentle on your joints, making it a great option for those looking to shed some extra pounds without the impact stress on the body. Improved posture is another perk of rebounding. As you bounce, you're engaging those muscles, especially in your core and legs. It's like giving your body a little workout that pays off in how you stand and carry yourself. So it's not just about feeling good inside, it's about looking confident on the outside too. And let's not forget about muscle tone. Bouncing engages various muscle groups, making it an all-in-one workout for toning up. It's like sculpting your body while having a good time. Who wouldn't want that? So whether you're aiming for better fitness, weight loss, an improved posture, or toned muscles, rebounding is your all-in-one solution for a better you. Of course, let's not forget why rebounding is good for your digestion. Let's dig into how bouncing can do wonders for your digestive system. When you bounce, you're giving your digestive system a gentle massage. Imagine your stomach and intestines getting a little shake, helping things move along smoothly. It's like a friendly nudge for your digestive organs, promoting better digestion overall. Now here's the interesting part. Rebounding is linked to cellular cleansing. As you bounce, your entire body is in motion, and this movement actually helps cleanse your cells. It's like giving your cells a refreshing shower. This cellular cleansing is crucial because it flushes out waste and toxins that can build up over time. But the magic doesn't stop there. Bouncing is also a superhero for your lymphatic system. This system is like your body's drainage system, helping get rid of waste and toxins. When you bounce, you stimulate the lymphatic flow, making it work more efficiently. It's like unclogging the pipes in your body's sewage system. This boost in lymphatic drainage is fantastic for your overall health, as it contributes to improved heart function and helps your body get rid of stuff it doesn't need. We know you might be wondering, how does this all connect to digestion? Well, the cleaner your cells and the more efficiently your lymphatic system works, the better your digestion becomes. It's like creating a clear pathway for your body to absorb nutrients and get rid of waste. Now here's a cool fact. Rebounding can actually help with bloating and gas. When you bounce, you're encouraging the movement of gases in your digestive system. It's like a little shake-up that can ease any discomfort and make you feel more comfortable after a meal. Basically, rebounding is like giving your digestion a helping hand. It promotes healthy movement in your digestive system, aids in cellular cleansing, and gives your lymphatic system a boost. Before we end, you know that quality is more important than quantity, right? So it's not just about how many times you've bounced, but also the quality of that bounce. Quality means doing it right when no one is looking. So yeah, a good bouncing tool matters too, for you to do it right. Disclaimer: no, we're not going to sell you anything. We're just here to give you tips on how you can find a quality bouncing tool that you deserve. First off, using a high-quality rebounder is like choosing the right tool for the job. It's not just about bouncing, it's about bouncing right. A good rebounder comes with features that make your bouncing experience top-notch. So instead of looking for average trampolines, look for a carefully crafted tool designed for maximum effectiveness. Now let's talk about the soft bounce feature. Imagine bouncing on a cloud. That's the kind of softness you want. If you can, consider high-quality rebounders that offer a soft bounce that's easy on your joints. It should be like landing on a fluffy pillow instead of a hard surface. Know that this softness is key to prevent injuries during your rebounding journey. After all, it's all about taking care of your body while having a good time, right? And here's the thing, a good bouncing tool doesn't just prevent injuries, it ensures you get the most out of your workout. The design and technology in quality rebounders contribute to a controlled and effective bounce. It's like having a coach guiding you through each jump, making sure you're getting the benefits without going overboard. Speaking of benefits, a high-quality rebounder maximizes the positive impact on your health. The soft bounce, the sturdy build, and the thoughtful design all come together to create an experience that's not only enjoyable, but also safe and effective. It's like having the VIP pass to the world of rebounding. You get the best of the best. Let's not forget about durability. A good bouncing tool is an investment in your health, and you want it to last. Quality rebounders are built to withstand the test of time, ensuring you can bounce your way to better health for the long haul. It's like having a reliable companion on your fitness journey. So when it comes to bouncing, don't just settle for any old trampoline. Choose a high-quality rebounder that cares for your body, provides a soft bounce, and ensures a top-notch rebounding experience. Your health deserves the best, and a good bouncing tool is your ticket to a safer, more effective bounce. And that's a wrap. We hope today's video brought you some insights and a whole lot of bounce. If it did, give that like button a little bounce and share your thoughts down in the comments. Spread the bounce by sharing this video with others so we can all hop our way to a better life. If you're joining us for the first time here at Luxo-Life, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell to stay in the loop. Catch you in the next video, Luxo lovers!